Start the session.
Friends, this is K. Charanraj from MEXI, standing before you to speak about visionary leadership inspiring others by OG clan. This clan is introduced by our Devi Sri Prasad with a nice PPT presentation. So I am here glad to introduce my introduction to the power of visionary leadership inspiring others. So great leaders inspiring greatness in others. What is meant by visionary leadership? Visionary leadership is the one who inspire others and motivate others with such a way and such a particular passion. So there are lots of people like Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Steve Jobs, Pawan Kalyan, Konidala Pawan Kalyan Garu. So there are lots of people inspiring others with a great leadership. So there are lots of people inspiring others. So in this way we can upload what steps we can take, what precautions we can take by this inspiring others. So my friend Teja will continue the topic.
Everyone, it is an absolute honor to stand before you and speak about a man who has made indelible mark in the fields of cinema and politics. He is our Deputy Chief Minister, Power Star Pawan Kalyan. Pawan Kalyan is more than just a celebrated actor. He is an inspiration, a leader, a symbol of resilience. From his outstanding performances in Telugu cinema and politics, he captured the hearts of millions. His unique style, powerful dialogues, and real-life action sequences made him the power star in Hollywood. Pawan Kalyan is, despite his immense success in Telugu cinema, Pawan Kalyan always felt a strong responsibility towards the society. In 2014, he founded the Jansena party with the motto "Fights for the rights of the common man." Unlike many celebrities who remain distant from politics, he actively participates in public movements and advocates for the issues youth unemployment, farmer rights. Even though electoral success has been challenging, his unwavering determination and mass appeal make him the most influential political leaders in Andhra Pradesh, in India. What makes Pawan Kalyan truly special is his humility and simplicity. Despite being a superstar, he remains grounded and connected to the people. His speeches inspires millions and his activities reflect his commitment to making a difference. Pawan Kalyan is not just an actor, he is an inspiration. His journey teaches us that success is not about fame or money, but about one's being influenced to bring positive change, whether through films, politics, or let us celebrate this remarkable individual who makes the true power lies in the serving the people. Thank you. My friend will Pavani continue.
My topic is Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela is one of the most influential political leaders of 20th century, known for his role of fight it now. Used in South Africa's dedication to equality and justice and human rights, and born in 1918, village of Mizo. Mandela has become key figure of African National Congress, symbol of resistance. Mandela's political journey, 1940s, he started with joined the ANC, African National Congress, involved in policies. His commitment to non-violent resistance initially inspired by Mahatma Gandhi. He spent 27 years of prison in Robben Island. His vision for a democratic and multiracial South Africa realized in 1994 became the country's first black president of
explain about the goal.
Vision for a democratic and multiracial South Africa realized in 1994 became the country's first black president. Mandela's political leadership extended beyond his presidency and continued in human rights and social justice until the death in 2013. Mandela's commitment and equality to ability divided national made a symbol of hope and global fight for justice. Remember that the hope is a powerful weapon even when ends are lost. Next, continue the friend
Thank you, Chandras. Myself, my name is Teja from Mechanical C section. Today, I am tell about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is a very scope leader in the India's independence struggle movement. Mahatma Gandhi brought India's independence movement through non-violence civil disobedience movement and inspiring movements for peace and justice worldwide. In April 1918, during the latter part of the World War I, the Viceroy invited Gandhiji for the war conference in Delhi. Gandhiji also agreed the conference. Gandhiji also support the war effort. In contrast of Zulu War in 1906, the outbreak of the World War I in 1914, when he recruited the volunteers for ambulance corps in World War I. In June 1918, Lieutenant entitled enlistment. Gandhiji also mentioned in the letter, the Viceroy received a salary 5,000 times the average income. In this letter, he stressed adherence in non-violent forms after Mahatma Gandhi also marched from Ahmedabad to Dandi for India's independence movement. My friend K. Devi Prasad.
Today I am going to discuss the topic about the Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs is you already know who is Steve Jobs. He is the co-founder of an Apple, and he is a vision for many people. He inspires every people in every aspect. Maybe he is a person that I think he is crazy enough to change the world. And Steve Jobs is a person who is well talented and caused many digital sectors, and he is a person who is introduced the global in our tip, and he can be, because almost everything, he's saying that because almost everything, all external expectations, all pride, all fear of embarrassment, of failure, these things just fall in the face of the dead. This says that everything can be achieved by a self-confidence and can also be achieved by using our skill, and it can be achieved by using our brain with that. And thus, Steve Jobs is a person who inspires many people, and for many youth, he's a person that can help people to encourage, and he's the first person who is willing to encourage the other people and also giving the charitable trust for people who are basically with skill minds, and thus he is a person who inspires others. The creations masterminded by Steve Jobs. The creations which are masterminded by Steve Jobs are the inventions that we are using in our today world, and thus by this many people are getting encouraged by the Steve Jobs and getting to use the new technologies, and we are using in our day-to-day life, and many people are using these technologies in various different aspects in order to replace the outer world, and many of them are using the telephones and also mobiles which are generating day by day by people, and it's getting updated, not degrading, but the update is in a much simpler manner, and it's a very good aspect for many people and is used for many purposes. the passion for technology. I think one should have passion for technology, maybe in every aspect, not only in the digital world but also in the external world. A passion and skill is both are different. Passion that is which is given by our own self-interest, but skill that is made by many practices. But passion is the thing that helps others to guide others in a different manner. Passion is very important for one, because without passion there is nothing to do with in our world, or without passion there is nothing to do in our day-to-day life. With passion, I think we can achieve many skills, and the rest will be continued by Subhash.
My name is Kautami from Mechanical Street. Today's topic: Winston Churchill. He serviced British Prime Minister in the World War. He is born 13 November 1874. He is Millennium Palace, United Kingdom. His leadership helps to social relationship between the UK and the United States. Winston Churchill serviced as Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, World War 1940-1945, and again from 1951 to 1955. Winston Churchill was a figure in 20th century. Winston Churchill's leaderships, however, he also
So that's for from our group. I conclude that inspiration is not one thing that can be drawn from all these people. Even your parents is an inspiration for you all, because it's an achievement for them, because they are making out to study everybody and giving you all the amenities that are needed for you. With or without knowing, you will be educated in some other way. But inspiration only from these people, I don't think it's an experience, or it's nothing that to do with these people. Even our day-to-day life, what are we doing, we can inspire from them. Inspiration is only drawn when you can have a set of goal. Inspiration can be drawn from people who are giving you the best. Inspiration is also a thing that are not only drawn from the leaders, but also can be drawn from within yourself. The passion to create the things that you want to achieve, or the passion to create something extraordinary out of the box, or something can be drawn. So this is from our group. Thank you.